Service in Buffalo has issued a special marine warning for Lake Ontario from Point Breeze to Sodas Bay until 7:15 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 10 miles north of Hamlin Beach, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Sunset Beach, Ontario Beach, Sodas Bay, Irondequoit Bay, Ontario on the lake